Hey, welcome back to That's Right Recycling. We got this big, huge, basically a case of a computer. Yeah, I'm gonna open it up. But would you look at that? Oh my God, it's disgusting. Oh well. So, let me put you in the stand. Look at all this cable. Yeah, I just pulled the power supply off because if you've seen in my thumbnail, it was getting ready to fall on me when I opened it up because I had it on an angle. But let's see what's in here. And there's 2 RAM sticks. I don't know. Gold finger card. 2 DVDs, drivers. Yep, and a whole bunch of wire. So let me put you up in the stand and we'll start this off. Alright. Get you up good and high. Hopefully. The only problem when you do the overhead, you don't have no way to compare it until you get to editing and you're like, well, that's totally out of frame or whatever. Ow. Start by loosening wires, if they'll come loose. It's hard to tell, I can't see. Oh, wait. You got a flashlight now. Someone's on. Yeah, those are all on plugs. So, only those I gotta cut. Yeah, right. I think that one. Nope. Okay. Go this way for now. It's easier. Get this mess all out of my way. I get to the front side. I'm not trying to drag wires through, get hung up on everything. Someday I'll be like, nah, I don't ever want to be like that. I do it my way. Doesn't matter. Okay, still got to unplug from the board. This is hung up into here. I don't know what you can see. Gonna take these screws off. Oh, righty then. Move that out of my way. It's clean shred. I'm gonna pull these cables through. This is a multi-computer system. Something multi. I gotta get these out of my way because I just moved stuff into my way. Got the big clip. Come on. And then right next to that, wire. There's over a pound of wire here. And well, it's got tape on it, but yeah. These are $1.90 a pound. I'll put that in a bucket right next to me. We'll pull out that. Another one to pull off. That's cut. Well, actually, that's gonna come right through. Such a big board for such a small. That's all right. No way, we got some plug on the back. We gotta take off. Hopefully, I have some gold in it. Faster, faster. Oh yeah. Boop. Now, the gold finger card, we'll clean this all off so we get top price. Add it to the hoard. And let's check out the RAM. Stickies. They're double-sided. Well, guess what? There's no more warranty. Well, 512 megabytes. Guess that's not the same as gigabytes. I don't know. I just take stuff apart. Let's see. Cut this. Cut that. pull that plug out. Boom, bang, bang. And then, oh, I can't see. Yeah, I should be able to pop this right off. There we go. Oh, well, still nice gold pens. If you're into recovery, even if you're not, nice gold pens. Cool copper, nice chunky copper. We'll take that apart. Scrap it all ain't the only one. Is it the only one? Wait, right here. What's that? There's one more hidden somewhere. These are not. So, right here, this bracket. Come on, fingers. Plastic. Right there. Or maybe I didn't pull it all the way. Alright, what else is hanging on? Right here. Oh, right there. Man. Boop, boop, boop. Another one. Man, I'm really missing them. Alright. Well, it's a small socket. Still. Pretty late. Oh well. Alright, let's get to the other side. Oh, we got some brass risers. Sweet. Let's double check these. No sticky. Add it to the collection. I won't bore you with all that. Oh, and I'll get them out later. We gotta spin you around here. Take you off. They look stainless. No, they stick, even though they look stainless. One more. And then, do I have to take the front off? Yep. Let me tidy up here a little bit. Oh, wait. Oh, look at that. 412 of 02. Yeah, she's old. More screws. 02. Wow. Oh, that's a hit. Phillips is gonna work on a rivet. Can I get him out now? Ow, that hurt, but we get it. Yeah, here it is. Really? What's going on? There's no tabs. No, that came out and fell on the floor. We don't break these down. Thank goodness. Why is this hanging up? The struggle can be real. Oh, there we go. Just wasn't pushing it hard enough. This is even older, but still. I'll be breaking them down. Look how that was it. Easy peasy, O2. Put you over here. I still gotta take the brass risers out. Board's done. I'm not gonna bore you with cutting all the wires. You've seen that 100 times. If you haven't, you will. There's a board that fell. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? I don't know. It's a small one. Bring it down. Bring it down. Bring it down. I hope you're recording in the right frame. So, take these ends off. Pop that off. You got a clean Goldfinger card. $6 a pound. Next, clean. I don't even know how these even. Oh, they have little bitty Phillip. Hopefully not on there too tight. When I first saw it, I thought it was a water cooled one, but no. Just cut that there. Copper bearing fan motor and plastic. And then I don't know how these come off. Something about this little nut. Possibility. I'm not worried about it. Goes right in the 5-gallon bucket with the rest of these giant heat sinks. Well, if you made it this far in the video, look at that now how easy it pops off. You gotta give it a wiggle. Well, it's got, that goes in with the shred. If you made it this far in the video, please hit the thumbs up. And take care and God bless.